it's time for me to share another amazing potato recipe. Look at this gorgeous potato salad just for you guys, but this time it's with another twist. So in a bowl I'm using some hung yogurt, which is nice, thick and creamy. To that I'm gonna add my favorite mayonnaise. To that I have some garlic and herb, onion powder, lots of it, and I'm gonna add some Dijon mustard. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Some freshly cracked black pepper, some white pepper to give it an extra kick. Mix that around. Now add some fresh lemon or lime juice. To this I'm gonna add some homegrown spring onions. This is optional. And to make it more creamy and nice, I'm gonna add some milk, cold milk. Now I'm gonna throw in my red potatoes with skins on, you know the drill, and I'm gonna add it in batches. Mix that around so that the potatoes are nicely coated and evenly coated. And look at that, I'm gonna sprinkle that with some more of my green spring onion, and voila, this is another potato salad just for you guys. I hope you have a fantastic new year. Enjoy.